In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a line graph with multiple lines in Google Sheets easily. Whether you're managing a project, analyzing data trends, or simply trying to present information in a more digestible format, knowing how to create a clear and concise line graph can be incredibly useful. So let's get started. First, we need to open Google Sheets. If you have the app installed on your computer, launch it now. If not, you can easily access Google Sheets through your web browser by navigating to Google Drive and selecting Sheets from the options. Once your spreadsheet opens, you'll want to have your data organized. In this demonstration, we'll assume your data is already in place from cell A2 to F11. Keep in mind that having your data structured in a clear and organized manner is crucial since it allows Google Sheets to interpret it correctly when creating the graph. Next, highlight the range of cells containing the data you want to include in your line graph. This would be cells A2 to F11 in our example. Simply click and drag your cursor over this range to select it. This step tells Google Sheets exactly which data you want to display in your line graph. Moving forward, with your data highlighted, it's time to start creating your chart. Navigate to the top menu in Google Sheets and click on Insert. You'll see a drop-down menu appear. Select Chart from this list. Google Sheets will now automatically generate a default chart based on your selected data. Now, often the default chart created by Google Sheets might not be exactly what you're looking for. We want a line graph, so ensure the chart editor is open on the right-hand side. If it isn't, double-click on the chart and it should appear. In the chart editor, click on Chart Type. And from the drop-down list, select the Line Chart option to display your data as a multi-line graph. Once your line graph appears, you might find it nestled amongst your data. Click and drag it into a clear space on your sheet, adjusting its placement to suit your needs. Having enough space around your chart can make your data representation clearer and aesthetically pleasing. Finally, let's customize the chart title so it reflects the data you're presenting. Double-click the title area on your chart to enter edit mode. Here, type in a title that gives your audience a clear understanding of what the graph represents. A descriptive title can provide essential context for those viewing your chart. And there you have it. Creating a line graph with multiple lines in Google Sheets is straightforward once you know these steps. This powerful tool allows you to visualize data trends effectively, making your presentations or analyses that much more persuasive. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.